just scoot a little bit closer. Good girl. Now let's turn you around. Good. Oh, careful.
Nice catch, baby girl. Good hustle,
Look at that
Hale.
cute little baby belly she got going.
I know it's covering up her yoni, so I can even take this video.
Which one do you want?
This new sound that she makes cracks me the fuck up.
It's her like little giggle laugh thing. Like, you like the smell?